Rigathi Gachagua ni atongoririe mahenya ma Uthaitiri wa Mirimu ya Ngoro na maria maharĩrĩirio ni thibitari wa Karen Hospital gũkũ mũciĩ-inĩ munene wa Kenya Nairobi hindi ya mahenya macio na maria matanyĩtwo kũngania mbeca iria igũteithĩrĩria na makiria ciana iria ikoragwo igũmĩirwo ni mĩrimũ ya ngoro. Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua ni ugĩte atĩ thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza nĩ yatongorio ni President Mugathe William Samoei Ruto ni gũtigĩrĩra atĩ ni ateithanĩrĩria oro hamwe na thibitari ũyũ oro hamwe na ministry ari hamwe na ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ maũndũ ta macio na makiria mĩrimũ ta ĩno ya ngoro nĩ ĩrĩa ĩhutagia ciana na njĩra nene nĩ yakorwo ĩgĩthaitĩrwo na kũheo kĩgĩna kĩrĩa kĩagĩrĩire nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ twathara mĩoyo ya ciana ici.
As an early morning walk lover, a mountain climber, a running enthusiast, I am proud flagging off the Karen Hospital Heart Run 2023. With at least 200,000 children under 18 years suffering from heart complications in Kenya, this annual event organized by the Heart to Hand Foundation is a lifesaver initiative for families that cannot afford the cost of surgeries and related procedures. For instance, the open heart surgery at the Kenyatta National Hospital costs between 350,000 Kenya shillings to 450,000 Kenya shillings, while closed heart surgery ranges between 150,000 to 250,000. The cost may appreciate depending on the condition of the patient after these intensive procedures. Closed heart surgery ranges between 150,000 to 250,000. The cost may appreciate depending on the condition of the patient after these intensive procedures. In private hospitals, the same procedures may range from 500,000 to over 1.5 million. It is even worse for those flying to India, South Africa, and other countries. For sure, beyond the reach for the families at the bottom of the socio-economic pyramid. This has sunk and locked families in poverty as others call for contributions and harambes from friends. The World Health Organization has established that 9 out of 10 children born with congenital disorder are in low and middle income countries. The Karen Hospital has led by example. I challenge the other hospitals and medical stakeholders to emulate this initiative, which in the long run will complement the government's effort of providing quality health care to our people. As we embark on this year's heart run, we are collectively determined to make a mark in every child's heart through the funds raised. That is how we'll build a society where no child suffers for lack of access to quality health care. The Kenya Kwanza administration under President William Ruto is implementing reforms in the health sector, specifically the National Health Hospital Insurance Fund.
What we do is we raise money, like you are doing. What you give us is what we use for the children.
Shukuru sana. May God bless you and bless you abundantly. Asanteni sana.